Are you as excited as I am? Today's day one of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2023. Got the box back here. I did do a little promo yesterday and showed the opening of the box. And I love it. It's so cute. I love, love, love this. This is so pretty. What an upgrade from last year and such an upgrade from the year before. I'm gonna open the first gift. This is day number 1. Look at how pretty it is. And it feels like fabric. It feels like fabric. Oh, let's open it. Let's see what's inside. It's fabric. Yay! Finally! Thank you, thank you, thank you, Jenny. Oh my goodness. Snuggly sweater pack. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Okay, we gotta peek at these fabrics. Oh my goodness. Oh, these are so cute. It says snuggly sweater fabric, like ugly, but these are really cute. I don't know. Here, let's see if you can see them. Look at them all. Oh, I hope there's a pattern to go with these. They feel really nice too. Oh my goodness. I started to edit the video and realized I never guessed day 2. All right, let's see. Did it come back on? Oh, what is this? All right. It's floppy, but there's something down here. Okay, it feels like a hexagon or something. It's something hard plastic maybe? I don't know what it is, but it's something hard and it's a weird shape. And then everything else is like flimsy. I'm thinking a template of some sort. Ooh, I wonder if it's a template and a pattern, maybe to go with this. That would be fun. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to find out. All right. As always, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. And I got fabric.